everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So today I'm going to do a look with a little bit older palette. It's been on sale a couple times. It's the Just Peachy Mattes. And yeah, this is really more just to get ready with me. It is September 11th. They have evacuated my town. Or they are in the middle of trying to evacuate us. What am I doing? I'm here doing makeup. Because that's what I do. Just kidding. My mom's on her way. And we have to do some things to get ready to go. And I'll probably get out of here tonight or tomorrow. Probably more like tomorrow. Trying to track this storm. Florence. See what the heck it's gonna do. So anyways, yeah, I've started picking up stuff and taking it to the upper level because the real concern for us is flooding. Ooh. I'm just taking this color right here and putting that all over my lid. Set that primer down so it doesn't skip. So yeah, it's Tuesday. The storm isn't supposed to hit till like Thursday, but people freak out all the time. So I'm gonna go with that shade right next to it and do that in my transition. Yes, I have my hair up again, pin-up style, because I cannot be bothered with it. Even it being this short, I can't be bothered with it right now. So, yeah. Then I'm going to go into this shade right there. And press that into the outer. I feel like I just did a shade like this. Look like this. I don't know what we were doing. But I'm having like deja vu. Did I do this yesterday? Somebody please tell me. This is one of the few Too Faced palettes I kept. But I gotta get my makeup on. I got 2 more videos I gotta film. Because you guys want to know what's going on. Just stuff. Alright. I like red. I like red. Guys, I'm worried about the storm. I really am. My husband thinks I'm crazy. He's like, calm down. It's just a storm. Yeah, but it's a big storm. It's a Cat 4 already. I'm not really worried so much for me. I'm worried about the people that won't leave. We'll leave. Timing is one thing, but we'll leave. Yeah. I kind of like that just plain look. So, where my mommy's at, they don't have to evacuate over there. They're higher ground, much higher than I am. I'm very close to sea level here. So, yes. Everybody's freaking out, as they should. And I have to go to Walmart. I have to go to Walmart for the 3rd time this week. I'm just supposed to go to the pharmacy. Huh. We'll see how long that lasts with my mommy. Alright, I'm going to take a little bit of this color right here, and then I'm going to just put that outer part of my eye. See if that does anything. Add some more dimension. Dimension. Yeah. That does the trick. And my hair looks so freaking crazy. I should not have gone this long without my medicine. I can't keep my hair up like this. I'm getting ready to freak out. Sorry guys, you guys are getting ready to see me have one of my meltdowns. It's just like meltdown central. My poor little hair. It is just curling like crazy because it's so humid outside. I mean, if I put a flat iron to it and put something on it, it'd be like that within seconds. You like how I did that? Puppies. So the puppies are going to a border that is way inland, and they love it there. They're very excited. If I say her name, they will freak out, so I'm not going to say her name. But they get treated like kings and queens there. Chicken and rice for dinner, all that other stuff. They love it. They get to run and play. So it's really nice. It's really, really nice. Alright. We're going to put some of this Makeup Forever foundation back on. Because Erica says it looks good on my skin. Trust me, little Erica. Well, that's the end of that primer. Dead. Dead. Not that I need much. Face is kind of red. That's odd. So tired. I'm trying to think, like, what do I put up in the attic? Like, obviously family photos, right? I have insurance on everything else. And I'm like, can I carry my makeup upstairs? I think my husband would kill me. He'd be like, are you crazy? I'm trying to leave for a hurricane. You're carrying your makeup upstairs. I mean, I have some things that can't be replaced. They're limited edition. And then I thought, well, it's really not worth it, is it? That's what insurance is for. I could call my agent. But I don't think I will. I'm going to put some more of this La Mer powder on. Some more. Like, I did it already. I haven't done it yet. This is just a big Morphe powder brush. No, I know. I didn't put concealer on it. The air is getting very still outside. It concerns me. Just a little bit, it concerns me. I really don't want to leave, but I know I have to leave. I'm perfectly content in my little home. But, you know, they're evacuating for a reason. They think something's going to happen. I Hi, Betsy. Betsy's like, we're going somewhere, Ma? Did you say me? Not you, Pickle. You going to the farm. Yes, you are. You going to the farm. Do you ever look in the mirror and go, what the hell am I doing to myself? I like the way my brows turned out yesterday, so we're going to do this again. You did not do as well today. Maybe. Maybe, baby. We can get... look at that. So I was raising my eyebrow when I did that. See it? I feel like I'm... That's way too much. Frowning. Why so sad, mister? I feel like my eyes don't match, 'cause they don't. 'Cause the tail's got to be darker than the front. Damn it. If I could brush my hair with my spoolie, might do better than my... I'm trying to look here and then I can't see. I see a spot. I can't today. I can't play eyebrows all day. My mama will be here soon and she will have no patience whatsoever. She'll be ready to go. She'll be like, come on, I'm ready to go. Yes, mother. Sorry about that. I got my phone on because it is a state of emergency. Ugh. Something was in my mouth. Piece of hair. Let's put a little bit of... Do you believe I have lipstick on my damn poofer? So I need to do mascara and this lip gloss today. I don't feel good. I don't know why I'm so quiet today. Nothing's wrong with me. Just quiet. Just quiet. No. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. I had a phone call because when I saw the doctor yesterday, he said I have to get a new insulin pump. So, a lot of money later. Anyways, so this is the look using the Just Peachy palette. The mattes one. I do like it. I think it looks good. Alright, you guys. I'll be back in a little while. Thank you so much. Mwah! Love you guys.